Cheap classic cars are still out there, but most of them come with a story. Let's take a look at 20 budget classics that might be worth saving. Car 1, 1979 Plymouth Volaré. $2,500, Millsboro, Delaware. This 1979 Plymouth Volaré comes equipped with the well-known slant 6 engine and is reported to run, drive, and stop. A number of maintenance items have already been addressed, including brakes, tires, ignition components, and a recent oil change. However, the car does have notable issues, such as transmission problems and rust on the front frame rails. It also isn't currently registered. Overall, this is a budget-friendly project that can move under its own power, but will need mechanical and structural attention. Car 2, 1963 Ford Fairlane 500. $2,850, Greensboro, North Carolina. This Fairlane 500 is a running and driving V8 car with under 100,000 miles, making it a solid entry-level classic. It appears mostly complete and could be driven with some light improvements. The main downside is the lack of a title, although one may be obtainable depending on location. Overall, it's a simple and affordable vintage cruiser with good potential for someone willing to sort out paperwork and minor details. Car 3, 1978 Ford Granada. $4,950, Chesapeake, Virginia. This 1978 Ford Granada is one of the most complete and ready-to-drive cars on the list. It has recently received several new components, including tires, battery, carburetor, and alternator, along with a fresh service. The interior is in great condition, and the exterior retains its original paint. It runs and drives well with a clean title in hand. Overall, this is a solid driver quality classic that requires minimal immediate work. Car 4, 1949 Pontiac Silver Streak. $3,500, Kankakee, Illinois. This 1949 Pontiac Silver Streak runs, drives, and stops, which is impressive for a car of its age. It has been upgraded with a V8 engine and includes various replacement components already installed. While the body is in decent shape, the interior needs a full restoration and some finishing touches remain. Overall, it's a strong foundation for a vintage build with a lot of character and potential. Car 5, 1970 Bradley GT2, kit car. $4,900, Columbus, Ohio. This Bradley GT2 is a kit car with a fiberglass body and a unique sporty design. It shows low mileage and stands out compared to more traditional classics. As with most kit cars, condition and build quality can vary, and it may require sorting depending on how it was assembled. Overall, it's a niche project best suited for someone looking for something different from typical classic cars.
Car 6, 1978 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. $4,500, Bedford, Indiana. This 1978 Corvette runs and drives and has been upgraded with a 383 stroker engine, offering more performance than stock. It also includes extra parts along with the original engine, which adds some value for a buyer. The car will need additional work, especially related to cooling and cosmetic condition, including paint. It is not a finished car, but does have a strong mechanical base. It could be reoriented to a project-oriented Corvette with solid potential for improvement. Car 7, 1963 Chevrolet Impala Sedan. $4,900, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This 1963 Impala sedan is powered by a V8 engine with automatic transmission and is described as running and driving. It also features a dual exhaust setup, giving it a more classic sound and feel. The underside has rust, which is common for cars of this era, but the vehicle remains usable in its current condition. It can be driven while being improved over time. Overall, it's a straightforward driver-level classic with visible age, but still functional. Car 8, 1978 Mercedes-Benz 500 SL. $5,000, Oxford, Mississippi. This 1978 Mercedes-Benz 500 SL is a V8-powered convertible that runs and drives well. It includes both hardtop and softtop options, and the interior is described as being in very good condition. The main concern is slight overheating, along with no air conditioning and minor rust. These are typical issues for a car of this age. Overall, it's a relatively complete luxury classic that needs some mechanical attention to be fully reliable. Car 9, 1973 Plymouth Fury 2, $2,000, Leoma, Tennessee. This 1973 Plymouth Fury 2 comes with a 318 engine and is reported to have low mileage. It appears mostly complete and could be a good starting point for a restoration or light project. The main drawback is that it does not have a title, which may complicate the buying process depending on location. Aside from that, it is a simple and straightforward classic. Overall, it's an affordable project with decent potential. Car 10, 1975 Dodge Dart, $3,300, Phillipsburg, Pennsylvania. This 1975 Dodge Dart is presented as a restoration project powered by a slant 6 engine. It is not currently ready for regular driving and will require work to bring it back to solid condition. It does have some added interest due to its connection to a film appearance, but overall condition remains project level. It could be restored or modified depending on the buyer's goals. Overall, it's a classic Mopar project with moderate potential.
Car 11, 1964 Dodge Dart GT Sedan, $5,000, Williamsport, Pennsylvania. This 1964 Dodge Dart GT is a running and driving classic powered by a slant 6 engine paired with a push-button automatic transmission. With around 76,000 miles shown, it presents itself as a fairly original and usable vintage car. It does require some brake work before being fully road-ready, but the overall structure is solid, with minimal rest mainly in lower body areas. The floors and frame are reported to be in good condition, which is a major advantage for a car of this age. Overall, it's a well-balanced project that can be driven while gradually improving its condition. Car 12, 1948 Chrysler New Yorker Rat Rod, $4,800, Reidsville, North Carolina. This 1948 Chrysler New Yorker has been transformed into a street rod, featuring a 350 engine and automatic transmission mounted on a modified chassis setup. It runs, drives, and stops, making it a functional custom build rather than a non-running project. The drivetrain is described as solid, with no major issues like overheating or engine noise, and all essential components such as lights are working. While it may still need small finishing touches, it's already very close to being a reliable driver. Overall, it's a unique classic with custom styling that offers immediate usability. Car 13, 1966 Datsun 1300, $4,000, Lafayette, Georgia. This 1966 Datsun 1300 is a rare and compact classic pickup with a manual transmission. It previously ran and drove well, but has been sitting for a while, meaning it now needs some basic work to return to the road. The main issue mentioned is a fuel system component, along with general maintenance after storage. It comes with a bill of sale and appears to be mostly complete, which is important for a restoration project. Overall, it's a unique and uncommon vehicle that could be revived with relatively moderate effort. Car 14, 1975 Volkswagen Beetle Convertible, $4,500, Fayetteville, Tennessee. This 1975 Volkswagen Beetle Convertible is a desirable version with a fuel-injected engine and rare factory air conditioning. The engine turns over by hand, although it hasn't been started recently, suggesting it will need recommissioning. The car appears complete and includes a clear title,
making it a strong candidate for restoration. Given its convertible configuration and original features, it has good long-term value potential. Overall, it's a classic Beetle project that could become a very enjoyable weekend car once restored. Car 15. 1959 Ford Ranch Wagon V8. $5,000. Burkesville, Kentucky. This 1959 Ford Ranch Wagon V8 is powered by a V8 engine and is reported to run, although it is not currently road ready. The mileage is unknown, and additional work will be required before it can be reliably driven. The car comes with a title and offers a solid foundation for a vintage wagon build. Its classic styling and rarity make it appealing to collectors, but it will require time and effort to reach its full potential. Overall, it's a project car with strong visual appeal and restoration value.
Car 16, 1965 Ford F100 short bed. $3,500, Dawsonville, Georgia. This 1965 Ford F100 project truck is equipped with a 302 V8 engine and automatic transmission. The engine runs and the truck is able to move, but it is not road ready and will need to be transported. The body shows typical rust for a vehicle of this age, including a heavily rusted bed, and it comes with a bill of sale instead of a title. Despite that, the truck has a solid foundation and classic styling that makes it a good candidate for restoration or a custom build. Overall, it's a straightforward project with good potential. Car 17, 1977 Chevrolet El Camino. $4,995, Springfield, Illinois. This 1977 Chevrolet El Camino runs and drives and is described as having a very solid frame. It is already functional, which allows it to be used while gradually improving its condition. The odometer shows low mileage, although accuracy is uncertain due to its age. It is still considered a project, meaning cosmetic work and minor mechanical improvements may be needed. Overall, it's a practical and versatile classic that combines truck utility with car-like driving. Car 18, 1977 Ford F-150 Super Cab. $3,000, Lenoir, North Carolina. This 1977 Ford F-150 is a running and driving truck equipped with a 351 engine and automatic transmission. It also features factory options like air conditioning and cruise control, which add to its usability. There is visible rust in several areas of the body, and the carburetor may need tuning. While not perfect, it remains a usable vehicle that can be driven with some attention. Overall, it's a decent project truck that offers both function and potential for restoration. Car 19, 1976 Datsun 620 pickup. $2,000, Roberta, Georgia. This Datsun 620 pickup is a simple and lightweight truck that currently runs using an auxiliary fuel system. It has had some recent brake work completed, including new components in the rear. However, it still needs fuel system repairs and reinstallation of some brake lines. The body also shows rust, which will require attention. Overall, it's an affordable and straightforward project that could be restored or modified depending on the buyer's goals.
Car 20, 1974 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. $700, Batesville, Mississippi. This 1974 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme is being sold as a full project or parts car. It does not include an engine, transmission, or title, making it a non-running and incomplete vehicle. The body is described as being in decent condition, which could make it useful for restoration if the missing components are sourced. Due to its low price, it may also serve well as a donor car. Overall, it's a very low-cost entry point for someone willing to take on a major project.
If you enjoyed this list, don't forget to like and subscribe for more real-world classic car finds. Let me know in the comments which one you'd actually take home. See you in the next video.